Hi, welcome to DMU, Dan's Modelling Universe. I'm Dan, and today we're talking all about DCC sound in N-Gauge. First of all, what is DCC? Well, quite simply, it's a little computer chip that's inside the loco. It still requires electricity from the track. The motor inside still needs electricity to run the wheels, but in between the electricity in the track and the motor is a little computer chip called a DCC decoder. But what makes it a little bit different for DCC sound is that it has a speaker built in and additional software and programming. What happens is that the DCC chip takes the signals from the track and the different function signals and then uses that to play sound on the locomotive. So we know how it works, but what does it sound like in locos that are so small? Let's have a look. How do you make the sounds trigger when you're driving the loco? Well, I use this. This is my controller, my DCC controller, and this is great because it's got here all the numbers. And when you press a number, that triggers a certain sound. I've got a list that the loco came with. Now, I've triggered some of these. I've programmed some of these ones at the top. So if I press bell, that starts it up. If I press horn/whistle, that's the brake. Now the important thing, what we all like to listen out for when it's driving past, the horn. Don't want two horns, just do one. That's number 3. But how do we let the passengers in? Well, let's open the doors. That's number 8. Little clunk there, that's the door opening. Press it one more time, let's shut them. The guard has now shut the doors. He wants to tell the driver, so shift. There we are, F12 again. And that's the sequence to get us away. And now, let's turn up the throttle. It's that easy. But is it worth it? When you look on the internet and look at the shops, DCC sound adds about another £100, if not a little bit more, to a loco. Well, I can't answer that question. For me, it's a special purchase. If they're on offer, brings it down a little bit, then yes, I will spend that little bit more to get the DCC sound. It's why I went for DCC, because I wanted the sounds, I wanted the light. So for me, not every loco will have sound in it, but if it has an option and it's not too expensive, I personally would go for the DCC sound. It's such a fantastic aspect to the hobby, and it really brings out another dimension and realism to the modelling as well. I hope this has helped. Any questions about DCC sound or anything that you've seen today, pop a comment down below. I'll have a look and I'll respond to it. So make sure you subscribe and pop a like on the video just so I know that you like what I'm doing. Thanks for joining me. See you soon.